Water to buy. Water filtration made easy.
Benefits of a water softener. Water to buy. Water filtration made easy. Provided with the latest technology, our softeners provide multiple benefits to you and your family. Water softeners eliminate 100% limescale. No more clogged shower heads. No more ugly limescale scum on your shower door. It can reduce household cleaning time by over 50%, so you can spend more time doing what makes you happy. Protect your family's sensitive skin. Soft water can be particularly beneficial for children and adults with dry skin and skin-sensitive allergies. Protect and prolong the life of clothes and fabrics. Prolong the life of appliances. Save money on heating bills. Save over 20 to 30% with reduced bills on gas, oil, and electricity costs. Save time, money, and water. Data Average has shown that they will pay for themselves in a time period of 7 to 8 months. Make your life easier and start focusing on what really matters at an affordable price. Make it easy and simple.